Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I'm doing a review on a product that I purchased a few months ago. I've been using it to see if it made a difference, and I think it has. So I'm excited about it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And it is called the PowerDeWise lavalier microphone. And you can use it on your camera, your laptop, your iPad, your telephone. I use it on my telephone, and it has a 3.5 jack, and it comes with a 59-inch mic cord and a 79-inch extension cord, and it has a rotating clip. And I'm wearing it on now. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You've probably seen it in some of my videos, but it has the little wind protector that comes right off, and see, it just clips right onto your clothes. And I've been using, I believe this is probably the 59-inch one, but I'm going to start using the 79-inch adapter so that when I work in the garden you can hear me better. What it says is to work with the PC, laptop, and some cameras, not all, so you might want to check to see if your camera is compatible with it. The microphone needs 4 to 3 pin adapter, which is included. And I picked this up from Amazon, and I will link the information down below. And it's the user guide. It says it's fully plug the microphone into your iPhone, smartphone, iPad, and start recording your speech with video audio app. Unplug the mic to listen to the result. Usually it's all you need to do, and they're absolutely right. That is all I needed to do with this, was just plug it into my phone, and that's it. And they're really good, and listed on the back, if you have any problems, you can go to their website, you can send them an email, and they even have a telephone number that you can call, and they said they will get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. And the interview set contains the lavalier microphone, extension cord, the adapter, a case, and 2 wind muffs. And you can also interview 2 people at the same time using the Y connector, and 2 mics in one device. That's included in here. I don't know that I'll need to do that, but it's good to have it just in case. I really like this, and I think you guys can probably hear me a lot better since I picked this up. Let me show you what it came with. Of course, it came with this cute little case that I need to start putting my microphone in. Here's the 79-inch extension cord. I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to hook that up. And then it has this little adapter. I guess that's for the 2 interviews and the 2 extra wind protectors, wind muffs as they call it. And then it has this little piece that you can wrap the cord around so it doesn't get all tangled up. And inside they have a little card, and it says, "Thank you for choosing us. We believe you will be satisfied." And it's a little warranty card. Actually, I haven't scanned it. I need to scan it. And PowerDeWise provides a 1-year warranty on all their products. And to get to the warranty, please register your purchase. So I'll have to go on their site. I don't think that I registered it yet. And oh, another thing it comes with is it's a little screen clean sticker, and you peel it off the back in here, and you can use it to clean, I guess, the back of your camera by improving your photos and videos. They got another tip: buy a tripod. And let's see, what else does it say? If it gets dirty, just rinse with tap water to clean and restore stickiness. So it's used to clean all your devices on the back. You can see that, okay? So that was a little extra. And then it has a little booklet in there. It has a short guide that tells you about the microphone, its sensitivity, its signal to noise, and the frequency range. And it has, like I said, the rotating clip, the wind muffs 3, the deluxe pouch, and an extra long 79-inch extension cable. Fully plug the microphone in your phone or another device. And then if you want to work with the PC, you have to use the adapter that's included. And you could start recording on the phone or shooting video. In order to listen to your recording, unplug the microphone from your phone. If your Android smartphone does not recognize the microphone, read guide at their website. And so here, some other information. It says, to get great and easy videos, you may want a tripod, a charging data cable, a Y connector to get 2 mics into one smartphone or other device. And this was all, you can get all this on Amazon. So I'm going to link the information down below. And if you need a microphone, I think this is a good one for the buy. It was only around $20. And I'm really enjoying this new microphone. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you have any questions about this product, list them down below. And if you haven't already, click the little bell so you'll know each time that I produce a video. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.